These are amazing salt and pepper hairstyles. Stay tuned and keep watching. There are varieties of hairstyle for women over the age of 50s and the 60s with gray hair, silver hair, and also these are low maintenance and youthful hairstyles that make you look really amazing. It can be a long or short length cut and must suit your face shape at all time. The right hairstyles offers confidence and boldness while making sure the hair is manageable. Depending on its actual color, it may also provide a whole new hair texture. First is knowing what the cut or style will entail with your lifestyle and your face shape. You won't like your gray hair if it is overgrown style that appears outdated. So if you have the long hair, which is the gray hair or the silver hair, or even transitioning, then you have to always give it beautiful styles. If you want to go for the coils, then the coils is perfect. With the coils, you don't need to always style your hair all the time. It's just to use your finger to flip across it and apply your hair product, and you are good to go. But for those that love going on low cuts, that's still a very good style to look youthful, and also at the same time it looks less stressful. So guys, keep watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and also do well to drop that lovely comments.